The State of Punjab. We took a drive right into its heart and soul, deep into the interior villages. We were dumbstruck by the beauty of the green fields. All through our journey, we had noticed several blue-colored equipment in white cages right below water tanks. We explored. We learned that these are community water purifiers installed at 97 locations across Punjab in capacities ranging from 25 KLD to 1000 KLD. Based on state-of-the-art nanotechnology, it removes iron and arsenic from water without electricity. It delivers pure water conforming to all quality standards at an insignificant cost of 2.5 paise per litre. We tasted this water, and let me tell you, it tasted so pure. This water purifier, incidentally, is called AMRIT, meaning nectar in English. The groundwater in the state of Punjab is highly contaminated with iron and the deadly arsenic. Exposure to arsenic from drinking water causes heart diseases, diabetes, and may even cause death by cancer.
कैसा है पानी?
बहुत मीठा है.
Obviously, nectar is indeed sweet. We resumed our journey, traveling through rugged roads.
You can take the crystal clear one.
मेरे स्कूल के साथ ही वाटर सप्लाई की टंकी है. इससे पहले जब ये प्यूरिफिकेशन नहीं लगा था तो बहुत बच्चे बीमार होते थे. बच्चे वाटर बोतल घर से लेकर आते थे.
There are no diseases at all and ਸਾਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਨੇ. ਹੁਣ ਵਾਟਰ ਬੋਟਲਸ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਕੋਈ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈ ਰਹੀ.
8 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਪਾਣੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ, ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਪਾਣੀ.
ਡੰਗਰ ਵੀ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਬੰਦੇ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਜਾਨਵਰ ਵੀ पीते ने. बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਸੁਸਰਾ पानी जाता.
तो सारे बच्चे और हम स्टाफ भी खुद भी वही पानी पी रहे हैं और वो पानी काफ़ी अच्छा है.
अपने घर के लिए लेकर जा रहा हूँ. तो उत्थे पाइपलाइन बची हुई हैगी पानी वाली. अभी रिपोर्ट भी कर ली बहुत. ये 2 टाइम लेकर जाते हैं.
People were emotional when they spoke about how these water purification plants had brought in drastic improvement in their lives and health.
मैं तुहाडे कोल कुछ मंग सकनी आ?
हाँ जी.
अगर किसी दिन तुसी इस प्रोफेसर प्रदीप जी नूं मिलो, उन्हां नूं कहना मैं उन्हां नूं बहुत बहुत असीसां देनियां कि 100 साल जीण. उन्हां ने वैसे भी अपने अगले 10 जन्मां वास्ते बथेरियां असीसां ते नेकियां जमा कर लित्तियां.
Oh my God.
The periodic water quality test reports showed us that the amount of arsenic in water is untraceable. It exceeded WHO specifications. The plants are cleaned once every 15 days through a process called backwash. When the nanomaterials which absorb the impurities reach saturation capacity, the active materials are replaced. They are safely discharged and the state has arranged for this. Our joy at encountering a mountainous stretch on the way to Roper forced us to halt for a cup of hot spicy tea. Surprise! We saw the familiar water tank at the top of the tallest hillock in the area. We were inquisitive.
हमारे गांव वालों को इतना अच्छा फिल्टर से भी अच्छा पानी मिला है. सब पानी आरओ से भी बढ़िया है.
We then visited the largest plant in operation so far at a village called Chaudhariwala. Here was a 1000 KLD plant delivering clean water to about 650 households to almost 4,000 people, 70 litres per day per person. We were impressed. This set us thinking, if over 97 plants could be integrated along with water supply schemes, the government must be hyperactive too. We reached Chandigarh to talk to them.
बहुत अच्छी योजनाएं चल रही हैं ताकि लोगों को अच्छी क्वालिटी का पीने का मेटल रहित पर जो पानी है मुहैया कराया जा सके. और उसको कंट्रोल करने के लिए IoT योजना के ज़रिए उसको हम कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं और उसकी गुणवत्ता को चेक कर रहे हैं.
I am very thankful to the IIT Madras whereby they have provided a technological solution where the heavy metals like iron, like arsenic and others can be removed from the drinking water.
What was good was that the IIT was also willing to work with us on changing the prototype that we had, and they came out with the prototype of what is called the household arsenic and iron removal purifier.
Technology was based upon the nanomaterial, and it was a highly efficient technology, which is adsorption based nanomaterials are used for cleaning the water.
So intangible benefit of these things in the terms of health, that's a direct impact as an economic value over the life of the people.
These plants are quite compact with high arsenic removal efficiency, as nanomaterials provide larger surface area.
We understood that the common man-centric government is very proactive and keen to expand on what has already been done. That was enough. 17 days, driving. We took a flight to Chennai to further quench our thirst for knowledge. IIT Madras, the best engineering institute in India for 7 years in a row, beckons us. The seat of life-transforming research, as we hang around to meet Professor Pradeep, a Padma Shri awardee, we take a glimpse of his laboratories. Science done here gets transformed to startups and products such as AMRIT, with the help of IIT Madras Research Park, the first university-owned research park in the country. All of a sudden, someone ushered us in.
It is now clear that we can address all contaminants of relevance in drinking water affordably and sustainably in India and anywhere else in the world. Although the models shown here are for arsenic and iron, we have similar models available for fluoride, uranium, chromium, mercury and others.
As we walk out of Professor Pradeep's office, we are in awe. Science, nanotechnology, infinitely transforming people's lives with water.